Hello everyone. We are birds. We are Hello everyone. I am a canary bird. I eat leaves, seeds, grass. I live in a tree. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone. I am a dustbird. I like to eat insects, grass and fruits. I build simple loose nests. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone. I am a cardinal bird. I love eating berries and insects and seeds. And I have bright red feathers and I build my cup-shaped nest. Hello everyone, I am Ghost. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am a caterpillar. Birds like robin, bluebird, sparrow, woodpecker. They feed on me because I am rich in protein. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am a beetle. I am a pigeon. I'm a clever black crow and my feathers are sharp and my beak is sharp and I build my nest up in the trees and I eat insects and fruit and seeds. I am a bright colorful parrot. Our feathers are green, red and yellow. I eat fruits, nuts, seeds. I am a sparrow, tiny bird.